Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Imagine arriving in Big Sky, Montana, where the road gently curves through towering pines and wide, open skies, and the air feels crisp, clean, and impossibly fresh. As the mountains rise around you, there's a sense of calm mixed with anticipation, because tucked into this dramatic landscape is a $12,900,000 ultra-luxury mountain home that feels less like a house and more like a private alpine sanctuary. From the very first moment, this home is designed to impress, not through excess alone, but through a deep respect for nature, craftsmanship, and refined mountain living. As you approach the property, the architecture immediately commands attention. Natural stone, rich timber, and expansive glass come together in a way that feels timeless yet modern. The exterior blends seamlessly into the surrounding mountains, as if the home has always belonged here. Large rooflines stretch outward, offering protection from winter snow while creating bold, sculptural lines that frame the home beautifully. The driveway leads you to a welcoming entry, where warm wood tones and subtle lighting set the tone for what lies beyond. Stepping inside, you are greeted by a breathtaking sense of scale. Soaring ceilings open up the space, and massive windows draw your eyes straight to the mountain views beyond. This is the kind of entrance that instantly quiets the mind, replacing everyday noise with a feeling of awe. Natural light floods the interior, reflecting off carefully selected materials that feel luxurious yet grounded. Every surface has been chosen with intention, from the hand-finished wood floors to the stone accents that echo the rugged beauty of Montana. The main living area is the heart of the home, designed for both grand entertaining and intimate evenings by the fire. A statement stone fireplace rises from floor to ceiling, serving as a dramatic focal point while radiating warmth throughout the space. The seating arrangement invites conversation, with plush sofas and chairs positioned to take full advantage of the panoramic views. Whether it's snow falling gently outside or summer sunlight pouring in, this room offers a front row seat to the changing seasons. Just beyond the living area, the home flows effortlessly into the dining space. Here, a custom-designed dining table sits beneath elegant lighting, creating the perfect setting for memorable gatherings. Floor-to-ceiling windows ensure that every meal feels like a special occasion, with mountain peaks and open skies forming a constantly shifting backdrop. The connection between indoor and outdoor living is a defining feature of this home, and nowhere is that more apparent than in this beautifully integrated space. The kitchen is nothing short of a masterpiece, blending professional-grade performance with refined design. High-end appliances are seamlessly built into custom cabinetry, maintaining clean lines and a cohesive look. Stone countertops offer both durability and beauty, while a generous island provides space for casual meals, entertaining, or simply enjoying a morning coffee with a view. This is a kitchen designed for someone who appreciates both function and style, where cooking becomes an experience rather than a task. Adjacent to the kitchen, a more relaxed seating area creates a cozy retreat within the open-plan layout. This space is perfect for informal gatherings, late-night conversations, or simply unwinding after a day on the slopes. The design here feels warm and inviting, with soft textures, layered lighting, and thoughtful details that make the space feel instantly comfortable. Even within a home of this scale, there is a strong sense of intimacy and balance. Moving through the home, wide hallways and open sightlines guide you effortlessly from one space to the next. The design prioritizes flow, ensuring that each room feels connected while still offering its own unique atmosphere. Natural materials continue throughout, reinforcing the home's connection to its surrounding. The craftsmanship is evident in every corner, from custom millwork to carefully selected fixtures that add subtle elegance without overpowering the space. The primary suite is a true private retreat, offering a level of comfort and luxury that rivals the finest resorts. Large windows frame stunning mountain views, allowing you to wake up each morning to the beauty of big sky. The bedroom itself is spacious yet serene, with a layout that encourages rest and relaxation. Soft lighting, rich textures, and a calming color palette create an environment that feels both indulgent and peaceful. The primary bathroom elevates the idea of a spa-like experience to an entirely new level. A freestanding soaking tub is positioned to take in the views, turning even the simplest moments into something extraordinary. A spacious walk-in shower features natural stone and premium fixtures, while dual vanities provide both style and practicality. Every detail, from the lighting to the storage solutions, has been carefully considered to enhance daily living. A custom walk-in closet completes the primary suite, offering ample space for an extensive wardrobe while maintaining a clean, organized feel. Built-in shelving, soft lighting, and high-quality finishes make this space both functional and luxurious. It's a reminder that in a home like this, even the most practical spaces are designed with care and attention. Additional bedrooms throughout the home offer the same level of comfort and refinement, ensuring that family and guests feel equally well accommodated. Each bedroom features generous proportions, large windows, and thoughtfully designed in-suite bathrooms. These spaces are perfect for hosting guests, whether for a weekend getaway or an extended stay during ski season. The consistent design language throughout the home creates a sense of harmony, while subtle variations give each room its own character. For entertainment, this mountain home offers a dedicated media room designed for immersive viewing. Plush seating, controlled lighting, and state-of-the-art audiovisual equipment transform movie nights into a cinematic experience. This is the ideal space to unwind after a long day outdoors, offering comfort and entertainment in equal measure. The home also includes a private fitness area, allowing you to maintain an active lifestyle without ever leaving the property. Large windows ensure the space feels open and energizing, while high-quality equipment supports a full range of workouts. Whether you prefer strength training, yoga, or cardio, this space is designed to support wellness in a serene mountain setting. One of the standout features of this ultra-luxury home is its seamless connection to outdoor living. Expansive terraces extend from the main living areas, providing multiple spaces to relax, dine, and entertain while surrounded by nature. Outdoor fireplaces create cozy gathering spots, perfect for cool Montana evenings, while covered areas offer comfort and protection throughout the year. In winter, the home transforms into a private ski retreat, offering easy access to world-class slopes while providing a warm and inviting place to return to at the end of the day. In summer, the terraces and outdoor spaces become the center of daily life, ideal for barbecues, sunset drinks, and quiet moments of reflection. The versatility of these outdoor areas ensures that the home can be enjoyed in every season. Throughout the property, advanced technology enhances comfort and convenience without detracting from the natural beauty of the home. Climate control, lighting, and security systems are seamlessly integrated, allowing you to manage the home with ease. This balance between modern innovation and traditional craftsmanship is a defining characteristic of the property, ensuring that it feels both luxurious and livable. The location itself is one of the home's greatest assets. Big Sky, Montana, is known for its breathtaking landscapes, outdoor recreation, and sense of exclusivity. From skiing and hiking to fly fishing and wildlife viewing, the opportunities for adventure are endless. At the same time, the area offers privacy and tranquility, making it the perfect setting for a luxury mountain residence. This $12,900 ultra-luxury mountain home is more than just an impressive property. It represents a lifestyle defined by comfort, beauty, and connection to nature. Every aspect of the home has been designed to enhance daily living, from the grand architectural gestures to the smallest finishing details. It's a place where modern luxury meets the timeless appeal of the mountains, creating an environment that feels both inspiring and deeply comforting. As you imagine living here, it's easy to see how this home becomes a personal sanctuary, a place to gather with loved ones, to unwind, and to reconnect with what truly matters. Whether you're watching snow fall through expansive windows, enjoying a quiet morning with coffee on the terrace, or hosting unforgettable evenings by the fire, this home offers a level of living that is truly exceptional. In the heart of Big Sky, Montana, this ultra-luxury mountain home stands as a remarkable example of what is possible when design, location, and craftsmanship come together in perfect harmony.